1 year ago, Fianna Fáil decided to go into government to take on the major challenges facing Irish society. The housing crisis, the need for more investment in our health services, climate change and education. And since then, we have initiated major step changes in terms of public housing policy, in terms of greater improvements in our health service, and in terms of rural communities and education. Now, it has been a very tough year for many families, for communities, for our entire society. And that is because, of course, of the pandemic itself. But we've allocated unprecedented resources to support businesses and sectors of our economy to get through the pandemic and to emerge again in a viable manner, protecting jobs and incomes as best as we could. I know that along with our ministers in government and with our colleagues in the parliamentary party, we will continue to work for the Irish people to ensure a sustained recovery as we emerge from the global pandemic. And emerging from that global pandemic has been facilitated by a very effective and efficient vaccination programme. And for that, I want to thank all involved, the vaccinators, the National Task Force and the HSE.
We are now seeing the light at the end of the COVID tunnel thanks to the vaccination programme, which has been an unprecedented success, one of the best in Europe. We have supported our people when they needed it most and invested billions to protect the incomes of workers, farmers and businesses that this pandemic threatened. We are turning the tide on the housing crisis and have invested in the largest housing budget in the history of the state to introduce real, meaningful and lasting housing policy to make home ownership achievable. If you are passionate about climate action, you will be as proud as we are that Ireland has set the world's most ambitious climate targets and will be carbon neutral by 2050. In recognition of the importance of the arts, which enriches all of our lives, there has been unprecedented support put into the sector so we emerge as culturally rich as ever. We believe that education is the cornerstone of Ireland's future prosperity and have created an entirely new department of higher and further education, so access to education for everyone is guaranteed. In its first year, the Shared Island Unit is breaking down barriers and open conversations about what a shared future can be like across the island of Ireland. We have made massive economic interventions to keep the country moving. The billions being invested in infrastructure today will be enjoyed for generations, both in our cities and in rural Ireland. We have supported pensioners, parents, and we are driving down insurance premiums. We have never spent more on the physical and mental health of our nation.
Fianna Fáil has delivered in its first year in government, working with the people and for the people. And we will continue to work diligently on your behalf.